Welcome to my channel 2-Minute English. Let's master English every day. How do you speak English to your students? Let's speak English with easy and simple ways. Today, I will share some classroom commands languages. Look at the board. Look at the board. Don't talk. Don't talk. Discuss with your partner. Discuss with your partner. Don't sleep in class. Don't sleep in class. Listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. Ask your friend. Ask your friend. Finish your task. Finish your task. It's kind of you. It's kind of you. Congratulations. Congratulations. Keep trying on. Keep trying on. Be nice. Be nice. No cheating. No cheating. Speak clearly. Speak clearly. Line up quietly. Line up quietly. Take a break. Take a break. Who can answer this? Who can answer this? What's it? What's it? Write down your homework. Write down your homework. Review the old lessons. Review the old lessons. Read the next paragraph. Read the next paragraph. Clean the board. Clean the board. Speak aloud. Speak aloud. Write on the board. Write on the board. Do exercise 2. Do exercise 2. No homework today. No homework today. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Can you match? Can you match? What does it mean? What does it mean? Can you remember? Can you remember? Repeat that. Repeat that. Any ideas? Any ideas? Are you sure? Are you sure? Get it. Get it. Pass me the book. Pass me the book. You have 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes. Keep calm. Keep calm. Make a circle. Make a circle. Turn to page 9. Turn to page 9. Who knows? Who knows? Work in group. Work in group. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Follow me. Follow me. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. I'm proud of him. I'm proud of him. Study for the test. Study for the test. Quiet and focus. Quiet and focus. Take out paper for a quiz. Take out paper for a quiz. Questions. Ask me. Questions. Ask me. New lesson today. New lesson today. Last 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes. Thanks for participating. Thanks for participating. Prepare well your project. Prepare well your project. Goodbye. Goodbye. Work quietly. Work quietly. Write neatly. Write neatly. Follow the instructions. Follow the instructions. Be careful. Be careful. Check your work. Check your work. Help your partner. Help your partner. Share your answer. Share your answer. Explain your answer. Explain your answer. Complete the task. Complete the task. Take notes. Take notes. Keep your voice down. Keep your voice down. Pay attention. Pay attention.